think she gon' hold the racks for me. Getting packed in it by the bundle. Yeah, he had it, but now he fumbled. Know it hurt when them bullets, they gon' rain on him. Even text her all day cause I'm recording. This shit really important. Wait till you see this kid, I spent some change on it. I could buzz down the Audemars, let him plane on him. Either way, these niggas still gon' hate, I see the lame on him. My nigga done swiped every card, that's that bank scam. Run it up, I see them get more green, I get with St. Patrick's. I just play it cool on some shit. Run up a bag, that's my move with the bitch. Searching for me, I'm in the trenches moving swift. If we get that fuck nigga gone, you gon' miss him. I got it all plotted out as you gon' listen. How I'm living, no you can't just see this happen in an instant. You gotta work hard to make this happen, can't just wish it. I done set the bar, I'm on the ass, let's be realistic.
I heard you got some chip, can you make it rain, baby? I been told him I'm a loc, I never been a lady. But you ain't never used that good, and that shit stay on safety. I heard you got a 30 clip, but I got around 80. It's too much money to be broke, this shit getting crazy. It's getting lonely at the top, this shit getting spacey. Hall of Fame for killing niggas, call me Wayne Gacy. I make them bitches do the dash, call them Lil Stacy. My drill a bitch just for thinking that she hot. If you hanging with them niggas, you get treated like a op. I just hit this little play, call the gang, we finna shop. I ain't tripping about that nigga, you can have him, we can swap. I just want a richer, really face missing in my watch. I got some heavy ass pockets, I be limping when I walk. All I think about is money, so it's different when I talk. She could burn, I won't spit, bitch can't even get off.